Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use CookieCutter to set up a pyramid project. So basically what we need to do is to install the package, because it's not like native to when you install pyramid, but rather you have to install it separately. So navigate to the pyramid demo, source bin activate, and create a CC folder and navigate inside it and install the CookieCutter. Now, after we have successfully installed it, what we can do is to use it. So basically we would use the CookieCutter and say that this is GH pylons pyramid CookieCutter starter check out 2.0 branch, and once it has completed successfully, oh boy, let me create a token on GitHub. So under the settings, developer settings, personal access tokens, Fedora 32, I need to insert my password. And let's regenerate this token and copy it and paste it. Maybe I made the typo, so let's just copy and paste it. So let's go ahead and name our project. So basically we would say that this is a Hello World project and the repository name should be Hello World. We can check or rather select a templating language. We will be good with Jinja, and we are not going to need any kind of DB backend. So do I have the tree command? Yes, I do. So this is how the project looks like. This is going to give you an example as to how you can set up your own project, and it will give you the appropriate folder structures and whatnot, and even the testing as well. So this is how you can use CookieCutter with Pyramid. See you in the next video.